In a dramatic turn in the Kanpur Lamborghini crash case, tobacco tycoon's son, the Shivam Mishra, the tobacco baron's son, has been granted bail just hours after he was arrested. Mishra was taken into custody 4 days after the 10 crore Lamborghini crash that rammed into an auto rickshaw, a motorcycle, before crashing into a pole that left literally 6 people critically injured. The case has sparked widespread attention, especially after videos have surfaced showing Mishra being pulled out of the driver's seat by his personal security. Eyewitnesses have also claimed that he was behind the wheel at that time of the crash. Though Mishra's lawyer has now strongly denied these allegations, maintaining that his client was not driving the car, the defense claims that the family's driver, Mohan, was at the wheel when the accident occurred. In fact, the lawyer has also alleged that the police acted under government pressure and had wrongly arrested Mishra. Now, police, however, maintain that evidence including CCTV footage, eyewitness accounts and videos showing bystanders pulling a man believed to be Shivam from the driver's seat clearly indicates that Shivam was indeed driving the car at the time of crash. Shocking to see the man now out on bail just barely few hours after he was arrested, and he was arrested 4 days after the crash. So wonder whether his blood tests were done, whether 4 days he was not in police custody. During that time, it was imperative for the investigation to find out whether this man first was behind the wheels or not, second, if he was drunk. Now, 4 days later, what can the police possibly find after his arrest here? And now he's also got bail. Shocking indeed.
ये कार्रवाई जो पुलिस की थी, साहब माननीय न्यायालय इसको भांप गई थी। माननीय न्यायालय ने कई प्रश्न पूछे, आईओ नहीं बता सका, सरकारी वकील भी अपना कोई पक्ष प्रस्तुत नहीं कर सका। तो माननीय न्यायालय ने अपने पूरे विवेक का इस्तेमाल करते हुए माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय की गाइडलाइन और बीएनएसएस के प्रावधानों को दृष्टिगत रखते हुए ये आदेश पारित किया है, रिमांड रिफ्यूज किया है। इससे उत्तर प्रदेश में कानून का राज स्थापित होगा।
ये माना जाए कि शिवम मिश्रा की रिहाई हो जाएगी?
बिल्कुल अभी हो रही है। 20,000 रुपए की अंडरटेकिंग और 20,000 रुपए के पीबी पे वो रिहा हुआ है। एक तरीके से ये माना अगर कहा जाए तो कोई बुरा नहीं होगा कि पुलिस सरकार के दबाव में काम कर रही है।
Well, that's the shocking part, that the lawyer says that the arrest was done on the government's pressure, that there was pressure on the government, which is why the police had to buckle. Now, that's the sad part. And then you had him being escorted by the police so softly. You know, if the man is being arrested, police and their body language is also another thing to note. The way they were bringing him, to the police station while they were arresting him, as if they were helping a man in need. While if he has indeed been drinking and driving and crashed into people, he's nothing short of a criminal. He should be treated as such. Look at that visual there on our left, on our screens there. The way Shivam Mishra, when he was arrested, the police escorting him with such kindness, holding his hand and walking him through. Where do any citizens get this courtesy from the police? But here, the soft stance of the police here on Shivam Mishra also raising a lot of questions on intention of the police to crack this case or get to the bottom of it. And then you have the lawyer of Shivam Mishra saying that the police are under pressure by the government to arrest him. It's shocking. Clearly, with all the money that the tobacco tycoon has, he's managed to get this far despite CCTV footage showing clearly that Shivam was indeed behind the wheels.